Okay, back for a short video. I've been busy. Got that footer in and concreted around. There's that one, a little gap. Got that one I'm bracing up, and then I'll fill the rest with concrete. So it's moving along. Putting a pre-water. Just a line to get me by for my toilet. And so it's going quite well. This one I've got to pour, and then I still have this beam to put in. Shore that up. The footings look good. And there's one under there. And then this one. I was going to block it up so that I could pour some concrete, but I'm going to stop for the day. And thanks everybody that's watching. I appreciate it. I'm sorry it's been a long road, but I'm getting there. And then I got to bring the plumbing up straight up through here. I think I'll put a check valve in there, and then run it up, and then back to the kitchen and over to the bathroom. I know that wasn't very good. A little tired. Thanks for watching. If you like it, subscribe and thumbs up. Thanks everybody. I'll keep you posted. I'm moving right along. I've got to move the power box upstairs so I can put one of my beams right there. So I'll call power guy in and have him help me do that. Or I'll get Cousin Murray to help me, because it's just moving some wires. They already hooked everything up outside. But yeah, I like it. Thanks a lot. Subscribe.